welcome home, guys. We're at the Aqueduct of Vineyards. Thank you guys so much for your patience. Yes, water is on my glasses because it is raining. But nevertheless, we're here to give you the shot of the model unit. This is the 2-bed, 2-bathroom unit. And guys, this house is fully powered by solar at the moment. You also have your smart features, your camera, your floodlight, your solar panel, your solar water heater. And guys, the smart features of this home can be controlled from your smart device, your cell phone or a tablet. You can see some of the features on screen now, but this is indeed a very smart home. So I'm going to give you guys a quick walkthrough of this unit. This one is actually staged. We have the 2-bed, 1-bathroom units. I'll show you those 2 units in another video, but for now we're going to be focusing on this one. So here what, remember to like this video, share, subscribe, leave your comment, and I'll definitely give you guys updates as they come. At the moment there are still 5 units available for sale. Hopefully after seeing this video you guys will still go ahead to make your purchase. There's still time to come out to view the units. Information is right here on screen. You can check that out. But guys, I'm going to be giving you a full tour of the estate. 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit at Aqueduct of Vineyards by SmartHome. So hear what? Let's get right into it. guys, so there we have it. A full tour of this 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom smart home at the Aqueduct of Vineyards. Guys, remember there are still units available. If you are interested, the contact information is down below in the description of this video. Please to reach out. We can't afford these 5 smart homes to go without a new owner. So I implore you guys just to reach out. Thank you guys for making it ChriSamz for your property tours and updates. Remember to like, share, subscribe, leave your comment. We will definitely be giving you guys a little feature of the other 2 units. But for now, it's peace out from ChriSamz. But I don't think this video would be completed without even 2 seconds of a drone shot. So here what? Catch you guys on the other side. Thanks for making it ChriSamz, and we'll see you in another one.